Now in the next in the series, I request Revered Swami Balabhadranandaji Maharaj to kindly extend the concluding notes about this 3 days celebration. Revered Swami Balabhadranandaji Maharaj. Revered Swami Balabhadranandaji Maharaj is Assistant General Secretary and presently he is serving at headquarters.
At the outset, I offer my devoted pranams to Bhagishanandaji Maharaj, who is the senior-most Vice President of our order. I offer my pranams to Lingaraj Maharaj Ji, Thakurma Swami Ji, and Raja Maharaj Ji as well. Then I offer my pranams to Revered Atma Prabhananda Ji and other senior Maharajis present in the dais. Present on the dais and also in the audience, Sarvalokananda Ji, Mishatmananda Ji, and a few others. My loving namaskars and best wishes to my junior monastic brothers, including Swami Atma Shraddhananda Ji, who just gave a very beautiful speech, the compeer monk of this session, and others in the audience. And my regards and best wishes to all the members in the audience. We believe in Sthana Mahatma and Kala Mahatma, which means that special holiness may be associated with certain places and certain dates. Today, for all of us who are present here, these two Mahatmas are applicable. Sthana Mahatma, because all these programs are taking place in this holy asrama, which is sanctified by Raja Maharaj Ji and other direct disciples, and many of our next generation stalwart monks. Raja Maharaj Ji established this asrama for this. He said that Babara সব বিভিন্ন আশ্রমে সেবা করবে. By Baba he meant our monks. Monks will serve people in different centers in various capacities. If and when they will feel exhausted physically, they will come here to regain their health, and along with that, they will engage in spiritual practices and have solace also, mental and spiritual solace also. And he said that this will continue even when I would be no more. And I'll see from above, বাবারা এখানে তপস্যা করবে এবং আমি উপর থেকে দেখব. So this Sthana Mahatma is there, and also because of the fact that this holy asrama is located in this holy Shiva Kshetra, Bhubaneswar, which Raja Maharaj Ji recognized as Gupta Kashi. So we are all present here enjoying for these days Sthana Mahatma. And also Kala Mahatma, the holiness, special holiness associated with this date, because this day is the holy tithi of Raja Maharaj Ji's birth. And when this kind of this Sthana Mahatma and Kala Mahatma get combined for us, we believe it or not, wonderful spiritual opportunities open up for us. On such occasions, we can have many spiritual merits which may not be possible for us to have on other days. So, we all who are present here today are very blessed, for which we should all offer our hearty thanks to revered Atma Prabhanandaji Maharaj and his team of monastics, devotees, and volunteers. As I have come from Belur Math, where the headquarters of Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission is located, I can well say that along with this, similar thanks or more should go to Swami Atma Prabhanandaji and his team on behalf of the headquarters also. You see, Thakurma Swamiji, Raja Maharajji, and all the direct disciples are very much living, and still they are working. Swamiji said, this is known to all of you, towards the end of his life, maybe 2 or 3 years before his passing away to Eric Hammond, I shall not cease to work until the world shall know it is one with God. That is, till each and every human being of this world will be godly, will turn godly, realizing God, Swamiji's work will continue. And what is Swamiji's work? Is also the work of Thakur, Ma, Swamiji, Raja Maharajji, and all the direct disciples. Swamiji's goal is their common goal. And they are still at work. All of them are at work. In Brazil, you may know this information. In Brazil, even before our Vedanta Center was established, Raja Maharajji appeared in a vision to a Christian gentleman. First, Thakur appeared before him. He was taking bath in a pond. A figure, unknown to him, came out from the pond. And he said, till then that Christian gentleman did not know anything about Ramakrishna movement. So Sri Ramakrishna came out of the pond and said, my son will come to you and he will give you some directives which you have to carry out. Then Raja Maharajji appeared him repeatedly and instructed him to start an orphanage in a remote village, in some remote village. Not only that, in which area he has to render his services, that also he pointed out. And not only that, when that orphanage got started, naturally the organizers are digging at various places of the premises, various places of the campus for drinking water. Then again Raja Maharajji appeared and pointed to a particular spot where water would be available, drinking water would be available, and exactly that happened. You may all, most of you may be knowing about our centers at Raipur and Narayanpur, and know of Atmanandaji also, Swami Atmanandaji also, who founded these centers. Atmanandaji, when he was a brahmachari, he got repeated instructions for Swami Trigunatitanandaji to start a center over there and to publish a magazine. Trigunatitanandaji will appear in dream, pointing to a certain area, certain region, and holding a magazine always in hand. And those two centers came up. So they are all working till today. You see, Ramakrishna movement rests equally on sadhus and grihasthas. It is a joint mission of devotees and monks. Once a monk named Swami Dhiranandaji requested Raja Maharajji that many new young boys have joined. For those newly joined sadhus, a few more rules need to be added. Raja Maharaj Ji replied, no more rule is required. Add more love in your heart, attain more devotion yourself, and help others spiritually. That will do everything. What Raja Maharaj Ji said to the Swami is applicable to all of us, sadhus and devotees alike. To add more love in our heart, to attain more devotion ourselves, and to help others also grow spiritually. If we do this, what will happen? Swamiji says, generations will improve in quality. Human society will be more human and spiritual. And a time will come when every human child will be born with yoga vibhuti. And just as lawyers, doctors, teachers are available on almost every lane and by-lane, prophets will walk on every street. স্বামীজি বলছেন, এইভাবে যদি আমরা প্রত্যেকে সাধুই হই বা গৃহী হই, নিজেদের জীবনটাকে আধ্যাত্মিকভাবে যাপন করতে পারি। এবং আধ্যাত্মিকভাবে যাপন করার জন্য রাজা মহারাজ একটা খুব সুন্দর সরল পথ দেখিয়েছেন, যে অন্যকে সংশোধন করতে হবে না। তুমি নিজের মনটাকে আরও বেশি ভালোবাসায় ভরপুর করো, নিজে আরও বেশি ঈশ্বরের প্রতি ভক্তি আহরণ করার চেষ্টা করো, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে সাধ্য মতন তুমি অন্যকেও আধ্যাত্মিকভাবে অগ্রসর হতে সাহায্য করো। এরকম যদি আমরা সমষ্টিভাবে করি, সাধু ব্রহ্মচারী সবাই, তবে কি হবে? স্বামীজি আমাদের সাধুদের কাছে যে নিয়মাবলী করেছে তার মধ্যে একটা হিন্টস দিয়েছেন, যে এইভাবে কী হবে, প্রজন্মগুলো ক্রমশ মানুষ হিসাবে উন্নত হবে, আধ্যাত্মিক শক্তিতে উন্নত হবে। এই হতে 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 কী হবে, এমন একটা দিন আসবে যখন যে বাচ্চাগুলো জন্মাচ্ছে, সদ্যজাত শিশু, তারা প্রত্যেকেই যোগ বিভূতি সম্পন্ন হয়ে জন্মগ্রহণ করবেন। যেমন স্বামীজি যোগ বিভূতি নিয়ে এসেছিলেন, তিনি ঘুমানোর আগে জ্যোতি দেখতেন, প্রত্যেকে যোগ বিভূতি নিয়ে আসবে। এই যোগ বিভূতি নিয়ে আসার ফলে কি হবে, আমরা দেখব, আমরা তো রাস্তায় রাস্তায় ডাক্তারকে পাই, রাস্তায় রাস্তায় অ্যাডভোকেটকে পাই, কম্পিউটার এক্সপার্টকে পাই, ইঞ্জিনিয়ারকে পাই, সেইভাবে তো সিদ্ধ মহাপুরুষ পাই না। কিন্তু এমন দিন আসবে যখন প্রতিটি রাস্তা রাস্তায় আমরা ব্রহ্মজ্ঞ মহাপুরুষকেও ঘুরে বেড়াতে দেখব। Whenever Mahapurush Maharaj Ji would refer to any saying of Swamiji, he would add this, এটা যার্তার কথা নয় বাবা, সাক্ষাৎ ঋষি বাক্য, সো ইউ ক্যানট বাট বিলিভ ইট। কাজে স্বামীজি এই কথা বলছেন, এটা সত্যি হবেই হবে। সো অন দিস হোলি অকেশন, অন দিস হোলি ডে, I pray to Thakur, Ma, Swamiji, Raja Maharaj Ji, direct disciples, for every devotee, every monk including me, so that we can join our hands, we can join our lives in this holy mission of Thakur, Ma, Swamiji, Raja Maharaj Ji, and all the direct disciples. Thank you. Namaskar.
We are very grateful to Revered Swami Balabhadranji Maharaj, Assistant General Secretary of the Ramakrishna Math and Mission, for his concluding note, in which one sentence which has really inspired all of us, that it is not the rule, it is the spirituality which develops the human being. We are grateful to Maharaj for kindly taking pains to travel all the way from Belur Math to here and guided us.